Welcome back to the Sound of Science channel, where we explore the fascinating world of acoustics. Have you ever wondered how to sum decibels? Well, it's not as simple as just adding numbers together, because decibels aren't your average numbers. Today, I'm going to show you the science behind it and give you a step-by-step guide to summing decibels. And stay at the end, I have a gift for you. Let's dive in. Before we sum decibels, let's quickly recap what decibels are. Decibels, or dB for short, measure sound intensity on a logarithmic scale. This means every 10 dB increase represents a 10x jump in sound power. So, 20 dB isn't just twice as loud as 10 dB, it's actually 10 times more powerful. A quick reminder of the formula of how to calculate the sound pressure level. So the sound level is 20 times logarithm of the sound pressure divided by a reference pressure. Because of this logarithmic nature, we can't just add decibels together like regular numbers. If one sound is 50 dB and another is 50 dB, the total is not 100 dB. Weird, right? Let's see how it actually works. Here's how to sum decibels step by step. Step 1. Convert decibels to sound pressure, linear scale. Decibels are logarithmic, so to add them, we need to convert them into their corresponding linear values. Use this formula. For example, if the sound level is 50 dB. Step 2. Add the linear values. Once you've converted all the decibel levels to linear values, add them together. Let's say you have two 50 dB sounds. Step 3. Convert back to decibels. Now convert the sum back to decibels using the inverse formula. For our example, 50 dB plus 50 dB equals to 53 dB and not 100 dB. Now, you might ask, why does summing decibels matter? Well, it's crucial for sound engineers, urban planners, and even scientists studying noise pollution. Imagine trying to calculate the total noise level from multiple sources, like traffic, factories, and people. Understanding this process helps us design quieter, healthier spaces. Here's a quick tip. If you're summing equal sound levels, there's a shortcut. For two equal sources, the total level is about 3 dB higher than a single source. For example, 50 dB plus 50 dB equals 53 dB. 60 dB plus 60 dB equals 63 dB. Add 10 log n to one source's dB, where n is the number of identical sources. Easy, right? Another tip, if there is a difference of 10 dB between two sound levels, the total sound level is the one with the higher sound level. And I have a gift for you. You can use a CUVAP tool, the link is in description, to calculate decibel sum, average, and difference. Feel free to share it. Now you know how to sum decibels like a pro. Next time you're measuring sound levels, you'll know the math behind it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more acoustic science content. Have a topic you're curious about? Drop it in the comments, and I might cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching the Sound of Science channel. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the science of sound.